Okay guys, so this is a 2010 Seat Altea XL. It's a cheap car, a winter daily driver, and it's hot right now in summer, and the AC is not working. And there's quite a few videos already out there on YouTube, but I thought I would do my share and replacing basically a pulley on the AC pump, and see if that is the issue, as we have seen with so many Volkswagen cars. So please, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. That will help me out a great deal and make it possible to invest in more stuff to make even better videos in the future. So thanks for that, and hope you enjoy it. Thank you. So what happens on these cars is that the AC stops working after 10 years or so, and you can either go to the dealership or the stealership and they will replace the entire pump here, as you can see it here, this one. They will replace it, and it will cost you a small fortune, and especially on an old car like this, it's simply not worth it. And the problem is well known. I think there are several videos on YouTube here, and you can see the teeth here inside this pulley are completely gone, and I've got this replacement part from China, and you can see the teeth are still here. So the AC pump is actually okay. It's still spinning. I can spin it with my hand, so I know that it is not seized or anything. So I will be replacing this part, and I'll clean this up, this area, so that the teeth will grip in a good way in the new part. This is the old part, as you can see, and it's a really tight spot, as you saw. Really hard to disassemble, but you can see here are the teeth that are not worn out. And as I understood it, this is some kind of mechanical fuse, you could say. It is designed to fail probably, and then you go to the dealership and they will swap the entire pump, and they probably have some address where they refurbish the pumps, and then they mount them again and charging you, I would say it's somewhere between 700 and 1,000 euros, which is, this car is certainly not worth. So we are going to clean up everything in the pump. We're going to clean it up in the area, make sure all the metal filings are gone, and then we will assemble the new part, and then the AC should be working again. So this car, I was driving it, and the AC performance got worse and worse, and until it was not working anymore at all. And now we're going to fix it. And this is the part from China. I purchased it. It was like 15 euros or something, including screws, and I was really surprised at the fast delivery. I ordered it for like a week ago and it already arrived this week, so really good, exceeding my expectations. So let's clean it and put the part on. Let's rotate it a few times. So, just ordinary brake cleaner. Okay, let's see. Okay, fits perfectly. And I'm using the original Volkswagen hardware, even though there are screws supplied. There was another video, somebody mentioning that the tensile strength of the Chinese screws is not that good as the original Volkswagen screws, which sounds reasonable. very hard area to reach, as you have noticed. Especially when you're filming it at the same time. So, okay, that's the first one. And I'm applying thread locker on all the screws. And then this should last, hopefully, at least another 10 years. This car is from 2010. It's done 145,000 kilometers. It's basically economically scrapped, but it's a very cheap car to drive. It's a 1.6 TDI common rail, not a very popular engine. It's rather underpowered, but it's very, very cheap to run, and we are running it as a winter car, you could say. Okay, I dropped my screw. will tighten these with my hands later on, of course. And working on a Seat, although a Seat is not like driving an Audi, it is like working on an Audi. That's a very, you always recognize the structure, which I like. All right. Okay, so we'll tighten the lug nuts. It's tightened to 110 Newton meters. Okay guys, let's find out if it's working. Put it in auto here. Oh yeah, very cold, fantastic, what a difference, that's awesome. So that made the repair, guys, 15 euros, 15 euros for that repair, really cheap alternative. Don't bring it to the dealer. They will charge you a small fortune. This is a really good solution. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.